In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Disney Plus on your Mac. Now, it's important to know that you don't have an official Disney Plus app in the App Store like you would for your phone, so it's a little different. But what you can do is create your own app for your computer so that you can just watch it easily without having to go on your browser every single time. So go to Disney Plus, and once you're logged into your account, what you want to focus on is going to the top right hand side here to the three dots. Go ahead and click that, and you're going to scroll down until you see Cast, Save, and Share. Go ahead to that menu and go ahead and hit Install Disney Plus. It should say did install Disney Plus as app. So go ahead and hit Install, and then it's going to install. So as you see, that brought up a window here. And what we can do from this point is it creates an app in your Chrome apps. So what we can do is go ahead. I'm going to X out of here because it brought it up automatically. And I'm just going to click and drag this onto my dock. And that way, every time you click on it, you'll bring up Disney Plus. It's ready to go. You don't have to go through your browser or anything like that, and you can watch your regular Disney Plus like normal. So that is a quick and easy way to essentially create your own Disney Plus app, download it to your computer, and you can use it the same way that you would if you were on your phone or browser. Hope you guys liked the video and found it helpful and useful, and we'll see you in the next one.